Hey kids, welcome to our Nursery One channel. Today we are going to learn about my family. My family is a great way to understand the important roles each member plays. Families can include parents, grandparents, siblings, aunts, uncles, and cousins.
Father, mother, grandfather,
Grandmother,
grandmother, uncle,
aunt, sister, brother.
Each person contributes in unique ways, like providing care, teaching lessons, or offering support. Understanding family roles helps build stronger bonds and appreciation for one another. This lesson can include discussing how everyone in the family helps and cares for each other. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.